Good evening, friends. This is me, Anjali, and today's topic going to be very fantastic and very definitely it will be like very good feeling when you listen this. You feel good and you feel pleasant, and somewhere you will regret that why before this, why I'm not saying this, why I don't have this type of information. So with this I would like to share all my thoughts and ideas regarding with it, because I am here, I myself Anjali. Firstly I would like to introduce myself, and by introducing I would like to share my topic. Here my topic could be underconfident. Who is underconfident and who is getting underconfident in this era? Mostly all of us very familiar with this, like youth and student, and who people really wants to achieve in their life something, who people are really want to do something great, or who people who really want to be famous personalities who ever made their history in this era. So what we can do for them, for use for all kinds of people who are just putting their efforts to achieve something in their life, to fulfill their dreams as well. So with this, what we can do, we can only do, like, we can make people's happy, we can make people, we can put a smile on their faces by appreciating them, by making them that you can do it, whatever you want to do you can do it, you can do that, you can say like this, because ultimately you are not going to solve their problems, you cannot you cannot complete their all the targets, you're not going to fulfill their dreams. What you can do actually, being here in our country like India, in this universe, in this world, to appreciate people. If you can't make people somewhere happy, please do not criticize them, please make them happy and appreciate them a little bit, so that it will put a great smile on their face, and so that it will make them joyful to give their efforts, to put their efforts to creativity, their creativity somewhere will increase by by saying a little bit words with them, to appreciate them, and to give your kind, to your polite words, which will impact a great level in their life. So it's necessary, because we are, we cannot do too much for them, and what we can do as well as possible, we should do at least this. And we should always be supportive, because we somewhere, we, if someone like if talking about aspirants in like youth are preparing for some kind of exam in their lives, they are struggling with their solution, they are struggling with their problems, because to achieve those things they would have to pay the price of struggles, the price of you know hard working. So it is the price that God wants for them to get those desires, to get all those somewhere people are like who has and who has not, people have something and people do not have something. So for fighting their livelihood, some where people are fighting um, with their problems, so do not criticize them, may just make them like we are behind you to support you, we will ever support you in which in any problem, if you will broken out, if you will, you know, feeling low, if you will feel low, I will here, we people are here, we societies people are here, we are always ready to support you, we always ready to provide you a little bit help as well as possible, as because criticizing is far bad than make people happy. So do not criticize people who are all around you and doing something great. So this, I hope you will understand this, because they people for youth actually, and who they are underconfident somewhere, they are not able to show their talent. So please, you know, please support them, please say them you can do it, please speak. If they have talent somewhere, you have talent to speak somewhere, you have talent in other curriculum activities, but for same, for being underconfident, they fail to show their talent in front of this, in front of people, in front of stage of country, in front of uh, front of us, just because minding that people will criticize me, people will not support me, people will always make me unhappy. So please, we have to be asset for our youth, like we are supportive for them, we need to understand this. And for youth, I would like to say, don't be underconfident, because life is one, you have to show your talent in one life, and what as well as possible, as much you can do, whatever you want, whatever you want to do, at least do something, because something is better than nothing. Please put your hearts and show your talent here, in every field where you are good, just prove yourself here, just know your skill and work upon that skill, and be asset for our country, don't be liability in this era, because in this we our youth are very hard working, everyone have problems, but their solution also have, we need to search the solution. So we always with happiness, with happiness, and do something great in our life. Skill is very much important in youth life, so work upon your skill as well. Whatever you have a skill, show your skill, show your talent, don't escape from showing your talent, because it is the beauty of life. Some at some places, when you will show your talent, people will salute you, people will mind you as a valuable thing, as a valuable person, as a and in future, if you should know the history, like famous personalities who ever lived on this universe, they did great, so that they are, you know, ever remembering, we are remembering them as a great personality. you you have to know history, because if you don't know history, then history will forget you. So make your history and create your history, and do something, do great in your life, just putting hearts, it's very necessary. So it's a quality of life, then you will live a quality of life which is very necessary, because otherwise life will like useless that God has given you. So with this, who is अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट, आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर देम, डर डर के जीना भी क्या जीना है, डर डर के जीना भी क्या जीना है, हर दिन गीदड़ों की तरह जीने से अच्छा है कि एक दिन शेर की तरह जियो और खुद को महान बनाओ. आई रियली bless you guys, please share this as you can, as much you can, so that our youth will aware with this. Thank you so much with this session. We will meet you soon with next stimulating, you know, with a next somewhere motivating. But for me, it's a problem under confidence. So to solve the problem, I am here. It's somewhere I feel like it's my responsibility and duty, being an Indian, and I'm following my Indianship. So for youth, I salute somewhere if you will do great. And I'm also youth. Being youth, I'm serving for our country, for yourself. So we will meet you soon with new topics. Thank you. Bye bye.